In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable grid lines on your iPhone camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, let me activate my camera. As you can see, now it does not display any grid here on my camera. And now let me show you how we can easily turn them on. To do that, I'm gonna hop out camera for now, and now we need to head over to settings. On settings, scroll down until you find camera. Here it is. And that's where at camera we can easily find the option which is called grid. All we have to do is just activate it, and then if we go back to our camera, we can now see these grid lines on our camera. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.